This is cabin 9230. This is a balcony cabin. And as you see, as you come in, your closets are on your left. There's actually 3 of them. There's a pretty large one here in the back that is all hanging. This one here is also all hanging with a little cubby down there in the bottom. And then this one is all shelves. Okay, but you can lift this up if you want more hang. Okay, moving further in, we do have our desk area. There's one outlet in here, one 110 US power and one European power. You do have a hair dryer plus 3 other drawers beneath it. And here is a mini fridge. Above it is your safe, which is in this cubby right here. And a TV, small by today's standards, and a couple more shelves over here. Across from this, you do have your sofa and a little coffee table, if you will. And that does convert to be a bed if you want it. Now down here are the beds. Again, you see them separated here. A lot of times we don't see them separated in a balcony, but here they are separated. Now, this does have USB power here, so you can charge your devices on either one of the nightstands. No regular 110, but there is USB. The balcony, let's check that out for you guys. Not too bad. A couple of chairs and a little table. Pretty decent space out here. And of course, this particular cabin has a great view. Amazing. All right, let's take a look at the bathroom. Bathroom has a smaller corner shower with a curtain, as you see. Toilet's in a great place for someone my height, which is 6'4", and pretty, if you're wide, we call that fluffy. So it's great for the tall and fluffy. You got 3 shelves, makeup mirror, nice single basin sink, and there's also some storage underneath. So not too bad. So regular balcony cabin here on the Carnival Conquest.